who are the 17 presidents of the Philippines? Can you name them? First, General Emilio Aguinaldo. So from 1899 to 1901, he is known as the undisputed general, and he is the youngest to become president at the age of 29. Second, Manuel L. Quezon from 1935 to 1944. So he is known as the father of social justice. Third to become president, Jose P. Laurel from 1943 to 1945. He is called the puppet president, and it was during his time when there is what we call Mickey Mouse money or fake money. Four, Sergio Osmeña. So from 1944 to 1946, the shortest serving president and the first Visayan president. After him was the fifth president, who is Manuel Rojas, from 1946 to 1948, who repaired the Philippines after World War II, and he is the president of the Third Republic. Sixth, from 1948 to 1953, Elpidio Quirino. He is the first president from Ilocos, and during his term, the Central Bank of the Philippines was established. After him was the seventh president, from 1953 to 1957, Ramon Magsaysay. He is known as the man of the masses. And then, he made the Malacanang Palace a house for all of the people, for the common people, by literally opening its gate. He, from 1957 to 1961. Carlos P. Garcia is known for the Filipino First policy or Filipino Muna. Ninth, 1961 to 1965. Gustavo Macapagal. He is called the poor boy from Lubao, and he is the incorruptible president. After him was the 10th president from 1965 to 1986, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He is the longest reigning president for 21 years. However, has the record of large-scale graft and corruption. 11th, from 1986 to 1992, Cory Aquino. She is known as the ina ng demokrasya, and take note, the first woman to become a president. During her presidency, they started drafting the 1987 Constitution. 12th President, Fidel Ramos, from 1992 to 1998, Philippines 2000. He introduced the Value Added Tax or VAT. 13th, from 1998 to 2001, Erap Estrada. He is known as the ama ng masa and is famous for this, Erap para sa mahirap. 14th, from 2001 to 2010, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The Strong Republic. She started the 4Ps or the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. After her was the 15th president from 2010 to 2016, Noynoy Aquino. He is known for his no wangwang policy and is famous for these quotes, tuwid na daan at kung walang kurap, walang mahirap. 16th, 2016 to 2022, Rodrigo R. Duterte, first Mindanaoan president. He campaigned against drugs or the war on drugs, and his known program was Build, Build, Build program. 17th, from 2022, to present, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. So he is the majority's president and ran on slogan, Bangon Bayan Muli. If you learned something as a review, write down information below about any of the presidents. That's all. Thank you.